everybody, and welcome to another episode with Human Car Sound. So, there's my new daily, guys. I've just purchased a Lexus GS300 with the infamous 2JZ engine. So the reason why I've purchased this car is because, well, the Starlet is gone. Yeah, the Starlet's gone, guys. The clutch was finished, it was gone. It started making ticking noises and it needed a new CV joints at the front, and I was just like, is it even really worth, you know, repairing and fixing it? So I ditched it and I thought I need to get something that's a little bit more comfortable, a little bit bigger for, you know, my size. Started looking around, there's a few options I was looking at, and then we came across this car and my brother and I were like, you know, these are pretty cool cars, and we thought, should we go and have a look at it? So we did, and I ended up purchasing it. Let me take you around the car and show you a few things about it. Right, it is a Lexus GS300 1999 model. These XXR rims, don't know the style of it, but these are 17-inch rims. One thing I do hate is the fitment of these tires. If you can see, these are pretty stretched, like that's like almost my pinky. The clearance on that is pretty bad, so that's one thing I need to do, is possibly change these tires with probably, these are 235s by 45s, and we might run like a 245 or a 255. I'm not too sure. I'll ask the tire place and they'll tell me what the best recommendation is for that, but that needs to go. It's pretty stock outside, as you can see. It's got a nice sunroof. It's got some aftermarket tail lights. Seems like it was kept in pretty good condition. I did purchase it from a Russian dude. Let's go have a look at the interior, shall we? You've got your electric seats. The interior, for its age, to be honest, isn't that bad. You know, you've got your usual wear and tear essentials. You've got the center console, so it's got two in there. Cup holders at the front. Dual aircon, so the passenger can adjust how much they want on their side for the temperature. Turn the handbrake off. I gotta do it like how they, when you buy a van or a ute. You don't wanna put that down when you're driving, that's for sure. That's right, kiddies, we've got the 2J. Fortunately, it is, as you can tell, it is a non-turbo. The whole reason why I didn't want the turbo, it was because it is my daily, and to be honest, if I did buy the a turbo motor, like if it was a Risto or something, I'm telling you now, I would have started spending money on it. So I don't really want to spend money on this, because let's face it, I'd rather spend money on the Supra. This is a more responsible vehicle. I'm glad it comes with the 2J. That was probably one of the reasons as well. When we went to have a look at this, I'm like, it's got the 2J motor, and hopefully lasts a while. You know, it's a very torquey motor. It's an inline 6, so you know, it's nothing crazy power, but it does the job. Who knows? One day if I win the lottery, I'll put a GTE motor in it. Comment down below, guys, if you reckon there's something that we should do with this thing. Maybe if we should drop it a little bit. I'd love to get some VIP rims for them, like big dish, but I'm pretty happy with what they came with. Let's see how long it escalates till I start modding this thing. Alright guys, I hope you like the new daily, so make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.